Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with safety. Unplug the Cricut and slide out the cutting mat so nothing jostles the carriage. Once done, open clamp O or B depending on your model. This exposes the rollers and shows how they sit. Make sure to document orientation. Take a photo if needed, because rollers are directional. Use a small screwdriver to release any locking clips, and wipe area with a lint-free cloth to remove debris so new rollers seat cleanly. Now you remove the old roller. Depress retaining clips or remove screws while supporting the carriage so parts don't drop. Carefully slide the roller assembly out. Inspect the mounts for hardened adhesive or fiber that would prevent proper seating. When inserting the new roller, align teeth and seating tabs before pressing. This prevents misalignment that causes tracking errors. Make sure the roller spins freely and that any springs or tension elements are properly captured before resecuring clips or screws. Finish by securing all clips and screws, close clamps, and plug the machine back in. Next, run a short calibration or a 1-2-inch test cut to confirm smooth feeding and accurate tracking. If the test shows slipping, misalignment, or noise, turn off power and recheck roller seating and clip engagement. Make sure nothing binds. Also clean electrical contacts and inspect for damaged teeth. If problems persist, swap in the other identical roller.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.